Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best camping kitchen that you can buy today. If you are a regular camper or want to enjoy the full camping experience, then investing in a camping kitchen will make storing and preparing food at the campsite much easier. As you probably know, there are dozens of options on the market today, making the buying process a tad difficult. Don't worry, we're here to help. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camp kitchens. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best camping kitchen, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Goplus folding camping table with storage. This hardworking camping table functions like a traditional folding table, but with canvas lockers underneath to store food, dishware, and other provisions. Plus, it folds to the size of a suitcase. It's an unassuming box of tricks when folded up, a bit like a hitman's briefcase. Only 10.5 centimeters in thickness, and incorporating a nice, rugged carrying handle. This table is perfect for setting up inside your awning or close to your cooking area, because within that briefcase-like exterior, there exists a couple of fabric cupboards with zippable front-loading bays. These cupboards are spacious and perfect for storing food, drink, or even bedding if so required. The Goplus also lets you add or remove legs to set the table at different heights to accommodate different uses. The pros are, it's affordable, it compacts down well for portability, and it's easy to use. However, the quality is not the best, and there's not much space on the tabletop for large groups. This is one of our favorite camping tables, and we believe with the amount of space and flexibility it gives, coupled with the flat packing shape, that it is definitely a best buy, especially for its price. In at number 4 is the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. This is a brute of a cook station camping table. The Slim Fold's all-steel, powder-coated frame creates an incredibly strong table that could last for years. This table is wide and stacked with tons of shelf space. Its fold-up design and ample shelving make it perfect for the woods, beach, or tailgate party. Its one major drawback is it can become unstable. Boasting 4 fold-out shelves, it features a one-piece design and weighs just under 20 pounds. It stands approximately 32 inches tall, one of the tallest cook stations we've studied. This unit is self-contained and has a simple, easy-to-use design. It comes with several convenient extras from cup holders to paper towel and garbage bag anchors. Its stowed dimensions make it portable and allow it to slide into a vehicle upright or down flat. This cook station is amazingly simple to set up and break down. It's one the easiest to use of all the tables we've tested, even compared to smaller backpacking tables. The pros are, it has a strong steel design, it's a good height, it has lots of space, it folds up nicely, and it's great value. However, it's narrow, and it needs flat ground. It's also unstable if weighted unevenly. The easy fold-up design comes with more accessories than first meets the eye. This table will enhance any on-the-go adventure where cooking is necessary. The third product on our list is the Camco Deluxe Folding Grill Table. This is a versatile, multifunctional camping table. Having one of these makes camping trips a whole lot easier and more organized. It has a spacious and lightweight design and is more than strong enough to handle your cooking. You'll feel like you have your own little kitchen using this table outdoors, and the beauty of it is it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. It has storage areas, side shelves, an area for your stove, and a tabletop among other little nice touches. So all of your utensils, condiments, and other cooking accessories will all be kept tidy and organized. Setting up this deluxe grilling table is a breeze. You just simply remove the grilling table from its bag. Starting with the middle, unfold the frame and extend the legs. Place the frame where you want to set up, then put the metal rack on. Then just place the aluminum tabletop onto the frame. And it's just as easy to pack up. Just simply do the reverse that you did to set it up. Camco have put a great deal of thought into this product, and it shows. There is enough surface area to prepare a large meal and storage for everything you need. It feels solid and is built to last. The pros are, it packs up into a nice, easy-to-carry bag. It's quick and easy to set up or pull down. It's strong and lightweight, and it can be used at a wide range of outdoor functions. However, there is fiberboard used in the construction, so it's not entirely wet weather-proof, and the smooth aluminum surfaces can become slippy. This Camco grilling table is great value for money. It will last you for years, as long as it's not left out in the rain. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the VBENLEM Portable for Camping Kitchen. This camp kitchen is easy to use, store, transport, and it is also durable. All of which really make this stand out amongst the crowd. As well as portable and strong, its graceful aesthetic outlook will elevate anyone's camping pitch. It is very compact and easy to fold. Made from great quality fabric and aluminum for premium durability, it also has the added benefit of making this kitchen lightweight. In terms of space, you don't have to worry since it has vast storage space. You will be amazed to learn that it has 4 tabletops made of aluminum. At the same time, 3 cupboards have zipped fabric compartments. So you can cook and keep your food in these cupboards without worrying about insects or bugs attacking. We were really impressed with this kitchen's windscreen. It blocked the wind and retained the heat from our stove perfectly. The pros are, it's durable. It's a great size and can accommodate larger groups. It's portable and compacts down well, and it has a handy windscreen. However, it's complicated to assemble, and it's not waterproof. This is a fantastic camp kitchen that will be able to handle large group cooking in windy conditions. And that pretty much sums up camping, right? The best camping kitchen is the SylvanSport over Easy Camp Outdoor Camp Kitchen. This is one of the coolest and most functional camping kitchens available. It has almost every feature you could possibly need to do serious cooking while at camp. Setting up the kitchen is pretty easy. Just open the case, unfold the kitchen, snap the legs in place, and unfold the second counter and sink. The legs are adjustable for uneven ground. Once open, you have 2 bamboo-topped countertops, one for your stove and another for food prep. This gives you a total of 70 inches of countertop space. There's a zip cabinet underneath with 2 shelves. These shelves are actually sturdy enough to hold food without sagging. There's also awesome extras like a collapsible sink station, built-in windscreen, trash bag holder, paper towel holder, and tons of utensil storage. They really thought of everything down to the Velcro straps to hold the cabinet doors open. The only thing that's lacking is a lantern hook. The pros are, it has bamboo countertops. It has adjustable legs for uneven ground. It has tons of deluxe features, including a removable sink. There's lots of storage, and the cabinets are insect-proof. However, it's heavy, and it's pricey. This is the best camp kitchen on the market today. Although it is on the pricier end of the scale, you get fantastic value for your money here. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with the SylvanSport over Easy Camp Outdoor Camp Kitchen. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.